What's up, fam? I'm Mommy Kat.
And I'm Courtney.
And today we are going to make a
Choco Peanut Butter Banana Milkshake! Yay! So here's what you'll be needing. A half cup of cold water, a medium banana, 1 spoon of peanut butter, a half cup of ice cubes, and 29-gram Birch Tree fortified choco milk drink.
Let me show it. So we're gonna make use of a blender here. We start by putting all the ingredients inside.
Okay, what's first?
Put the water. Oh, you put the banana. Careful, ha?
Yeah.
There. Peanut butter. I think I need to scrape it. There.
Ice cube.
There's the ice cubes.
Birch tree.
It's a birch tree.
That looks so good.
What? Ayan.
That's
So when it's done, you pour it into your cup or glass. Oh. Here's your Choco Peanut Butter Banana Milkshake. Ready to drink.
yes.
So how was your Choco Peanut Butter Banana Milkshake?
It's so good. Let's make more of it, Mommy.
Sure! So if you're a parent like me or someone who just want their kids to enjoy the milk, especially for those who doesn't like the taste of a regular milk, flavored ones like Birch Tree Choco Milk is a great alternative. And if you're worrying about drinking chocolate and what it means for their health, don't worry because you can get the health-promoting effects of a chocolate drink from this one. So what's so special about this new and improved version of Birch Tree Choco Milk? Aside from it tastes good, it has more nutrients than the original formulation. It has more vitamin C that boosts their immune system, vitamin B2 and B12 for more energy, vitamins F and D for bone health. So there are more benefits than you think. And as a mom, I'm really careful with what I put in my child's food and drinks. That's why I look for the best option I can find in the market, and not all chocolate powders are equally nutritious as this one, especially now that it comes in a new, improved version.
Because of Birch Tree Choco Milk, Courtney is more focused on learning and she has more energy to play each day, which is really essential in her childhood.
Just like in the episodes of Kamustahan, Bertie loves to learn, play, and help his mama Betty do the chores. Those little acts of Bertie show how beneficial Birch Tree Choco Milk can be for the child's development, and this will help shape their future. I'm so glad they made a choco flavored variant because my kid now drinks more milk and at the same time enjoys this birch treat. And the thought that it does wonders for her overall health makes us parents feel great as well. So make your kids try the new Birch Tree Choco Milk and let them enjoy this nutritious drink every day. Trust me, it's gonna be worth it.